There are two types of subscribe forms you can do inside the app. A single opt-in or a double opt-in. By default, a single opt-in will be selected. This is the most simplest approach, so when someone completes your subscribe form and hits subscribe, they'll be automatically added to your mailing list. The second option is a double opt-in. This is a bit more of a comprehensive solution. So when you select double opt-in and they complete this subscribe form, the email address that they enter in this field, they will be then sent an email to verify their email address, asking them to click on the link to join your mailing list. So they will not be added to your mailing list until they click on that verification link in the email they receive. This is called a double opt-in because effectively they've opted in twice. This does provide the ultimate protection against spam bots and fake form submissions, but some people don't always like to go through the process of having to click on a link inside their email browser. So let's have a look at how we can customize these different screens. We can see here at the moment we've got single opt-in. So at the moment we've got the subscribe form viewing on screen. We can see it's got the little viewing tab. If we click on form complete, this is the message that they will be shown when they've completed your form. We can mouse over and customize this screen as much as you like. And when you're done customizing it, we can click back to subscribe form and we can see the initial subscribe form. Let's now change our form to a double opt-in. So let's click on the double button and we can now see our form has been converted. The software is now asking us to select a sender profile for the double opt-in email. So when the user completes this form, as mentioned, they'll be sent an email asking them to verify their email address. By selecting a sender profile, you can choose the send from settings that this email will originate from, much like when you send an email campaign. If we scroll up a little bit, we can see that our workflow screen has adjusted. So we're currently viewing the subscribe form. When they complete the subscribe form, they'll be taken to the form complete screen. So let's click on it. So we can see here, it says, thank you, we've just sent you an email to confirm your subscription. Again, we can mouse over this block to edit it and customize as much as you like. The next screen is email verify. So this is the email that they're sent in order to verify their email address, asking them to click on the subscribe link. Again, we can mouse over any element to customize it. And finally, after they click on that subscribe link, they'll be taken to subscribe complete. This is the screen where they're actually added to your mailing list. Again, you can customize this screen as much as you like. So this is the default at the moment. We can mouse over it to change the text, add images or other styling. When you're done making your amends, just click on subscriber form to go back to the beginning of the workflow.